Alam po, sa pag-checking the time, sumobra na kasi kami sa aming show, guys. Yung mga trainers natin hindi pa nakapag-break. Nakapag-break ba? Wala pa? Okay, so kailangan muna namin mag-break in 15 minutes lang po. At ma'am, at ikaw ma'am, hanapin nyo nung kami doon sa office, ma'am. Doon lang kami mag-intay sa'yo, mag-break na kami in 15 minutes, okay? Now guys, mag-break muna kami in 15 minutes. Babalik lang po kami. Thank you so much. Michi, okay, ulit na natin. Ay, nasi mo, nabibigatan na si ma'am ako kung magpasensya nyo na ma'am, ha? Ipagtripan ka ng ating mga trailers, oh. Sila Kuya kasi, Kuya Richie, oh. Sa bagong ano. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Palakpakan po natin si ma'am. Siyempre si ma'am din kanina po. Alright, folks. Here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have a mission. That is to protect, to preserve, and educate people about these lovely animals. The moment that you enter these facilities, you are not just here to take some photos or videos with our animals. You are already helping us with our mission. That's why, a round of applause for yourself, please. Siyempre folks, makilala ko sa inyo ang aking mga poging trainers, Kuya Richie, Kuya Siren, Kuya Gmar, Kuya Dexter with the big box, at Kuya Mike, at kung sinaas na si Kuya Fritz. Noon, folks, my name is Kuya Boy. We are Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Mabuhay mo na ako, daghan kayong salamat sa inyong tanan. Ayan, like I said kanina, sa mga gustong magpa-picture sa ating animal ambassadors, lalo na dito sa ating snakes, lapitan lang po natin si Kuya